Welcome to another Quickvee tutorial. Today we're going to be going over Quickvee's Stocktake, Simplified Inventory Management. Managing your inventory has never been easier. With Quickvee, you can efficiently run a Stocktake to ensure your quantities are accurate, and here's how you do it. First, navigate to the Inventory tab. At the top, you'll see multiple tabs. Scroll to the right and find Stocktake. This is where you'll count inventory and adjust product quantities. Once on the Stocktake tab, tap the plus button at the bottom right. This takes you to the Stocktake page, where you can search for products by name or scan the UPC code for quick access. In this example, I'll search by product name. Let's use Geek Bar. Once the product is found, simply enter the updated quantity. This will automatically override the existing count and generate a discrepancy report. If you've entered your product's costs when inputting your product, Quickvee will highlight the discrepancies when stock is lower than expected or when stock is higher than expected. Once you've counted and updated your items, tap Save. Your Stocktake is now saved, and you can access it anytime to review your adjustments. And that's it. A simple, fast, and accurate way to manage your inventory with Quickvee. Try it out today. Thank you for watching another Quickvee POS tutorial. For more tips and tricks, hit the subscribe button.